going to be a really, hopefully brief, for my standards, video about setting the console text console resolution and the console font in Slackware. Something I hadn't played around with till this weekend, where I was tired of X Windows and just needed to run Emacs and wanted a nicer font. So here we have our Slackware running in a virtual box. Let me switch it into scale mode so it's easier to see. And grow it a little bit. And we're going to have to go change the boot mode here. And not the boot mode, the VGA parameter in Lilo. So if you see, currently we have VGA as normal, right? So I want to change that to the 1152 by 800 mode. There's a bunch, and if you do VGA as ask, you'll get you'll be prompted for a menu where you can choose the mode you want. And here's some sample modes for various resolutions from 640 all the way up to 1024, 768. But what I want to do is set it to mode 843, otherwise as 34B in hex, which is 1152 by 900, roughly 864. We'll fire off Lilo again to rewrite the boot code, and we'll reboot. Not the speediest. FYI for people keeping up with some of my Illumos stuff, I do have a machine. It's now running SmartOS. I am familiarizing myself with it. So SmartOS will be coming soon. Okay, so let me get out of scale mode here, because we're screwing up our nice new high resolution display. So there we go, 1152, 864. That should be 11. Yeah, I guess that's about 300 pixels there. I suppose that could be 1024. I'm not going to measure it. Well, why don't we measure it? So let us measure it. K-ruler is absolutely handy. So yeah, that's 864. So our mode is set. So hopefully this is readable in the video. And go in here. Slackware provides the handy utility of set console font, so we can try out some different console fonts. So yeah, I don't like 161. Let's see. No, definitely don't want that. That's not bad. What do you think about that? So the Lat2 Terminus 16. That's an option. That's a little too chunky. So it provides a large number of console fonts here. What's really nifty is you get the digital research DOS fonts, including some bizarre ones. 8x8 characters. But what I like is if we get all the way down here, there's a sun lookalike font. So a la the old, Spark frame buffer console. So I think we'll keep this one. Now what that's done is now enabled rc.font. So you can see rc font is now executable and has done a set font and the name of the font file. You can see there we have the directory with all the fonts in it. So like I said, pretty quick little video, but now Emacs looks a whole lot better. So also when using virtualization, this now at least looks as good as a as your terminal might. So this is a brief one. As I said, videos on SmartOS coming, all sorts of other cool stuff. Let's see. I guess that's about it. Thanks.